Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin E capsule face pack step by step. Gather 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules, a carrier oil, honey or yogurt, a small bowl, and a clean spoon. Sanitize your tools and wash your face first. Pop the capsule carefully and mix the oil with honey until smooth. Apply in gentle circular motions and leave for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Warm the carrier oil slightly by rubbing the bowl between your hands or a brief warm water bath to make mixing easier. Squeeze the vitamin E capsule directly into the bowl and stir slowly to combine oil and honey or yogurt into a smooth paste. Use 1 teaspoon of carrier oil and ½ teaspoon honey for most skin types, adjusting if your skin is very dry or oily. Always patch test on the jawline. Hey friends, if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I view saving and long-term goals, and it pairs nicely with investing in self-care and simple routines. I find that small habits, like making a face pack and budgeting, compound into big benefits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Using clean fingers or a brush, spread a thin, even layer of the vitamin E face pack across the cheeks, forehead, and chin while avoiding the eye area and lips. Massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes to stimulate circulation and help absorption, then relax for 10 to 15 minutes while the pack works. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, pat dry, and follow with your usual moisturizer or sunscreen if heading outdoors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.